Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying the Nishman Foam Wax. Stay tuned for more tips. Nishman Foam Wax is a specially formulated form of hair styling product. It is lightweight volumizing foam with superior holding power even in high humidity. All day long volume and style.
The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man? You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gave no fucks, I ain't scamming, you know black men.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products and stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.